Hello everyone, this is Jan from Cold Chain Innovation Hub. We are today in Laguna in Philippines attending the third completed demonstration project by Rise Against the Hunger. The technology that was provided from Embraco, the cooling units, and the chillers and freezers were then locally assembled by the local contractor and manufacturer. So I'm very pleased to be here today. We are visiting the location. It's a beautiful farm that provides sustainable food for the local communities and people in need. And we will be meeting the general manager of the program in Japan, and he will tell us a little bit more about this facility, about the program that they are building here for the communities. And we will then also visit the actual location with the chillers and freezers, and we will learn how to put this technology to use.
I'm Jomar Fleras. I'm the Executive Director of Rise Against Hunger in the Philippines. And right now, we are at the Good Food Farm. This is a sustainable agriculture farm project owned and operated by Rise Against Hunger Philippines. So we are right here now at the warehouse of the Good Food Farm in Magdalena, Laguna. Here we have installed a chiller and a freezer. So the chiller will be used to store the different vegetables that we produce here at the farm. And these vegetables are used in our various feeding programs. We also operate a food bank, and we often get donations of cold products, frozen products. The freezer here will be of great use in storing these frozen products.
My name is Emilio Gonzalez. I'm the president of Cold Front Technologies Asia, Inc. We had the pleasure of working with Jomar and Good Farm to install the refrigerator and the freezers, as he mentioned here. These use top-mounted Embraco natural refrigerant units using R290 refrigerants. The bigger unit is 11.5 cubic meters, and the smaller freezer unit is the freezer that's about 7.7 cubic meters. The body itself was assembled here in the Philippines. These are cold room panels, 100 millimeter thick panels. The freezer is set at negative 24 degrees Celsius, so it's capable for holding and everything up to ice cream products.
We are very thankful for the support of UNIDO for this cold chain facility that will help us be able to reach more people who are hungry, more people who are in need, the children that needs the vegetables and the produce that we're able to distribute to them.